How to check your credit score on CIBC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, let's understand what a credit score is. It is a numerical representation of person's creditworthiness based on their credit history and current financial behavior. It helps lenders and financial institutions determine the risk associated with lending money or providing credit. So some of the key components of credit score includes the payment history, the credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit in use, and the new credits. So while 300 to 579 is considered to be a poor credit score range, likewise 800 to 850 is considered to be excellent credit range. So why does credit score matters? It matters for loan approval, interest rates, rental application as well as employment because some of the employers check credit scores as part of their hiring process, especially for roles involving with financial responsibilities. So how can we improve our credit score? First is by paying bills on time, reducing the debt, avoiding opening too many accounts and checking credit reports for error. So in order to check the credit score, you have to download the CIBC application. Once you have downloaded the mobile application, you can log in using your access card number and password. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen, which is to open the menu. Thereby, you will find an option of Check Credit Score. You are now able to see your credit score along with its history and related details. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.